The world has lost another Mk4 Toyota Supra after the car flipped and rolled into a train, reportedly at the hands of a mechanic, not the owner. It's a dark red Mk4 Supra speeding away from the camera vehicle before losing traction. The driver of the Supra was a mechanic at a local auto shop, and that he was completely okay despite being thrown from the vehicle in the crash. Englewood police confirmed that the driver was not the registered owner. This Supra had just 17,000 miles on the clock and boasted around 900 HP. That might give us some indication about why this driver couldn't handle the car when it was traveling down a straight road. During the winter it can be hard to find grip when the roads are cold. That much power and limited traction can lead to bad things when the driver isn't skilled enough to handle it.